Hey guys, welcome back. So we had this customer stop in earlier this week. He said he saw a lot of our things on Facebook and kind of wanted to check us out. He brought this brand new 2020 Camry to us, and it's got 175 miles in the odometer. So it's literally practically brand new. And he just wants it protected with our, entry-level ceramic tint, because we've got two different grades, and our entry level is going to be blocking out over 50% of the heat. And he just wants it to where it'll look a lot darker on the back and sides, and the front windows is going to be receiving 35%. The back windows are going to be receiving 20% along with the back glass. So this car, he told me, was a special edition. He had to order it from Toyota because they didn't have any in stock. It's got a beautiful interior on the car. It's like this red interior, and today we're going to be completely tinting it. At this time, he is not getting a windshield because he will be moving to California in a couple months or so. So he just wants to try to stay as legal as possible. So stay tuned for a transformation on this vehicle, and we'll keep you guys posted. Thanks. Hey guys, so we're working on this 2020 Camry. I'm about to start tinting this window, but I want to show you an extra step of precaution that we take whenever we're tinting the glass. So a lot of times, a lot of tint shops, they don't actually cover up anything, and their door panels always get wet. Some people complain because, they're staining, or there could be their electrical switches stop working. So in order to prevent this, we cover up every bit of the panel. Nothing gets wet, none of your switches get wet, and you can have a worry-free installation. So I just want to show you guys all the water that is on the actual door cover. And when a shop doesn't use the cover, all of that right now would be on your door. So this window is laid, and it's perfect. What's up guys? Welcome back. We just finished up on this 2020 Camry. So as promised, I'm gonna do a walk around video for you guys. So on the front side windows, we actually put legal tint on there. And yes, it does look really dark, but it's 100% legal and you can perfectly see completely out of it. The back windows, they received a little bit darker. They're one stage darker. They got 20% tint on there. Man, this changed the entire look of this vehicle. So the back glass, what we went ahead and did is we tinted it as well in 20%, and it looks phenomenal. Stay tuned and we'll see you guys next time.